Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Tasteful Textures. This actually comes in a bundle, but today I'm only using the stamp set. So I've inked up with smoky slate, stamped off on a piece of copy paper, and now with my Melon Mambo marker, Stampin' Right marker, I just colored over some of the smoky slate leaves on this image. And I'm doing the same thing, so I'm doing it twice. I stamp off on a piece of extra scrap paper, and then I'm stamping on my Whisper White thick card base. For the sentiment, I'm inking up with Melon Mambo, and the sentiment actually says, "Good things are sure to happen." So I've backed that with a little Melon Mambo piece of cardstock, put some dimensionals on the back, and then put it in the bottom the bottom third of the card. And then on the inside of the card, I am stamping with the smoky slate, Just Believe. It's a really cute, simple card. I have the Happiness Blooms dots, enamel dots. I think they're still current in the catalog. You'll find them in the embellishment section. If not, whoopsie. I'm sure you have some dots in your stash that you could do the same thing with. These ones just happen to be Melon Mambo, so worked out perfectly. Just putting the last ones into place. And that is my card for today. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.